Asian Paints Bathsense Neo Control Thermostatic Diverter. Let us unbox the product and check out the contents in the box. Tools for marking on wall. Draw the measurement lines. Do marking in a straight line on the wall. Use scale or putty for marking on the wall. Before doing chase cutting, we should check all the tools properly so that we do not face any problem while working and the work is completed on time. While doing chase cutting, we should wear PPE kit. Do the chase cutting for diverter body, cold, hot water, shower, body jet and spout pipelines. Fix the diverter body in a wall. First, mark the points for the screws. Before installation of the diverter body, please check that the diverter body needs to be at least 1 inch out the wall surface to accommodate the plaster and tile thickness. It is recommended that you use brass adapter for the pipes. Please refer to the markings on the diverter body to do this. Then fix the diverter with the help of screws. Then fix the pipes. Fix end cap on the outlet, then test for leakages. Material required for the tile fixing. Cover the pipelines with plaster, then tiles. The following tools will be required for installation. Open the screw and remove the PVC cover of the diverter. Then cut the diverter in a box at the level of the tiles. Remove the screws with the help of the Allen key and then attach the sleeve. Press the icon to check if on-off positions are working properly before tightening the screw. Fix the temperature handle. Make sure to match the black line on the cartridge and angle of the handle is at 38 degrees. Then install the flange. Finally, fix the temperature handle with the help of the Allen key and cover the hole with bindi provided. Then fix the body jet. Overhead shower and then the spout. While installing the spout, please fix the flange and then the spout body with the help of Allen key. Now the installation of Neo Control Thermostatic Diverter is complete. Now you can check the working of Neo Control Thermostatic Diverter by checking the various icon options. Body jet comes with 2 flows, overhead shower and spout. Please note, for optimum showering experience, please maintain the water pressure at minimum 3 bars.